Texas Department of Transportation Project Information Tutorial, June 2009. The purpose of this tutorial is to provide you, the account manager, with key information that is publicly available through state DOT websites and to tie that information into the Hilti Civil Initiative. We believe that AMs need to be informed and in tune with current and future state DOT projects. Keeping informed will allow you to provide current and potential Hilti customers a wide variety of state-approved products. The American Recovery and Reinvestment Act of 2009 allotted the Texas Department of Transportation $2.2 billion for these projects. Being aware of the type and scope of these projects gives you valuable information to develop a focused sales initiative. Understanding the phases of a transportation project and the parties involved will also help you strategize your sales efforts. Using documents regarding state-approved products, pre-qualified contractors, and letting information, tie all of this information together and give you a focused sales path to both existing and potential Hilti customers. This slide shows the common projects and products that you will need to focus on within the Civil Initiative. Gear your efforts around bridges, roads, and highways. Hilti's products can be widely used on either new or repair projects. As previously mentioned, it is imperative that you grasp the bidding process and your role in each phase along the way. As an account manager, you should be teaming with the FE during the design phase to make appropriate application solutions. During the bidding phase, you should team with the RM to formulate a qualified product list submittal package. After the contract has been awarded, follow up, verify, and secure the order. During the construction process, it is crucial for you to be accessible for site visits and to consult with the FE or RM if need be. Once construction has been completed, you have completed the sale for that particular project. Keep in mind, many contractors have multiple projects going on at one time and do bid new projects on a frequent basis. The state-approved products list tells you which products are approved for state-funded transportation projects. This will allow you to understand which products can be offered before arriving at the customer's office or site. To access the state-approved products list, go to www.TxDOT.gov. This will take you to the home page for the Department of Transportation. Once you are there, click on Business with TxDOT on the left side of the page. Click on Contractors/Consultants. Scroll down the page until the heading Materials Information and click on Materials Producer List. Scroll down and then select Epoxies and Adhesives. Scroll down to Hilti and you will find all of the approved materials for the state of Texas. These are the products that you will bring and recommend to the contractor or purchaser during the bidding phase. You should provide the contractor or purchaser with a quote and submittal prior to the bid being placed. Texas pre-qualifies contractors for specific areas of work to ensure they have the financial resources, integrity, and experience to complete projects on which they bid. Using this information, you can plan calls to a current customer or identify and plan prospecting calls to potential customers based on location and projects for which they are qualified to bid. Going back to the Contractors/Consultants page, on the left toolbar you will see Contractor Information. Select Pre-Qualification and then scroll down the page and select Pre-Qualified Contractors under Confidential Questionnaire. This will allow you to view all current pre-qualified contractors' contact and project information. In time, this information will be taken and condensed using market research to define how we can integrate it into the SAP system. You will be aware of current and future projects. Becoming familiar with the letting process will enable you to keep track of every project that has been bid on and awarded or will be bid on and awarded in the near future. Using this information, you can plan your activities around planned holders for future projects by looking at project scope, location, or type, or by those contractors already awarded contracts for projects currently in construction. The bidding process includes the conversion of plan to proposal, opening the bid to contractors, analyzing the bids, and finally awarding the contract. Remaining involved throughout this process will keep you informed at every step. To locate the letting information, we're going to go back to the home page. On the left toolbar, we're going to select Road Construction and then Contract Letting. Scroll down until you see List showing order of bids. Select it and then any available date. Under each project, you will see the bidders list for that particular project. This information will show every pre-qualified contractor holding plans for the project. During this time, you should be identifying projects in the area and the local customers bidding on them. Call the estimator or PM from those companies to discuss the plans. Consult with the FE if need be. Going back, select awarded or rejected state projects. You can view the awarded contractor, other bidding contractors, and the bid amounts from both the engineer and the contractor by clicking on the tabs link. Notice the one-line project description and project location in the heading on the top of each page. Once a contract has been awarded, you must immediately follow up and be accessible. On a side note, for a view of look-ahead projects in the next 1 to 2 years, go to Project Tracker on the home page. Here you can view upcoming projects by type, location, cost, duration, and proposed start date. Selecting a project will give you more detailed information. This database will allow you to team with the FE and RM much earlier to approach both the contractor and the design firm. By doing this, you will be able to include Hilti products in the design specifications in the bid submittal package. In summary, the Texas Department of Transportation website has every piece of information you need to be successful in the sale of Hilti products for transportation projects. Using the aforementioned tools, you will know what to sell before arrival, who to sell to, and what you will sell in the future. This will allow you to formulate a concise and focused sales approach to both our existing and potential Hilti customers in the near future.